This is our finished alloy wheel after repair. Let's show you how we did it. So, what we have is medium scratches curbing on the edge of our alloy. To make a start on sanding, we used a fairly coarse paper. We're using a P180 disc to sand down the burr, reshape the edge of our wheel. Oh, hey up James! Sanding discs come in a variety of different grades or coarseness. The lower the number, the coarser the grade. The higher the number, the finer the grade, and obviously the finish. Finally, we're using the finest grade of paper to give us the smoothest finish in preparation for the first primer coat. Panel wipe is now used to clean any remaining dust and grease in preparation for the first primer coat. Now masking off the valve. And all of the tyre. Using a tape wedge to seal the tape to the tyre. Please remember, suitable protective equipment should be used where necessary. We use a high build primer which allows to give us a smooth surface ready for painting. Short blasts following the contours of the wheel, 2 to 3 coats, allowing 10 to 15 minutes between coats for drying. To paint, we're using ready mixed silver wheels. It's available over the counter at most motorist D.I.Y centres. Longer blasts, remembering to follow the contours of the wheel, building up an even coat. We also use a ready-made clear lacquer, another over-the-counter product. Build up progressive light coats to avoid runs on your glossy finish. Leave the final coat of the lacquer to dry for over an hour. Start removing the masking tape. Always pull it away from the area you've just been working, painting, masking off. Pull it away from the actual finish you've created. So that's it. What a result. Wow. Easy at home fix, off the shelf products, great finish. If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Press the bell so you can see our future videos, and thanks for watching.